Welcome to Kids Art Channel.
If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hey kids, get creative and draw a stunning flower. Think about your favorite colors and shapes. What kind of flower will you create?
Fantastic. Cool. Perfect. Perfect. Whoa. Fabulous. Bravo. Cool.
I hope kids you enjoyed it. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.